Along with Assam, the Louis Poria Homage at IIT Kharagpur is celebrating Bhogali Bihu in its campus. Students and faculty members came together to prepare the traditional mechi, a symbolic bonfire that marks the essence of the festival along with an array of authentic Assamese delicacies. Monday evening was a delightful reminiscence of the Uruka festivities back home as participants indulged in jolpan while enjoying lively performance of Bihu songs, dances and recitations. The festive feast was meticulously curated to reflect the rich culinary heritage of Assam, featuring traditional dishes such as duck curry with bottle gourd and chicken cooked with sesame seeds and pork slow cooked with elephant apple and mustard leaves among others. As per the tradition, the Meji was lit in veneration of the Almighty with prayers for the well-being and prosperity of all. The celebrations concluded on a heartfelt note with a collective rendition of Assam's state anthem Omur Apuna Dek.
Joy Haribula! Joy Ramabula! Joy Haribula!